Hey y'all, welcome to Faith with Annie. In this video, I wanted to do a prayer journal entry with you. Now, this prayer journal entry is going to be a little bit different. I am doing this based off of what a few of my viewers have suggested. I was recommended 2 Corinthians 12, 1 through 8, Psalm 29, and Psalms 91. I am going to prayer journal each of these differently, and in this video here, I am going to do 2 Corinthians 12, 1 through 8. And the order that I am going to do these in is just simply the order that they were posted in. And I really appreciate you guys with your kind words and your prayers and encouragement and recommending these verses for me to read and to help work through some of the things that I'm working through. And this video, like I said, will be 2 Corinthians 12, 1 through 8.
2 Corinthians 12 verses 1 to 9. Sufficient grace. 12. 1. Boasting is necessary. It is not profitable, but I will move on to visions and revelations of the Lord. 2. I know a man in Christ who was caught up to the third heaven 14 years ago. Whether he was in the body or out of the body, I don't know, God knows. 3. I know that this man, whether in the body or out of the body I don't know, God knows. 4. Was caught up into paradise and heard inexpressible words, which a human being is not allowed to speak. 5. I will boast about this person, but not about myself, except of my weaknesses. 6. For if I want to boast, I wouldn't be a fool, because I would be telling the truth. But I will spare you, so that no one can credit me with something beyond what he sees in me or hears from me. 7. Especially because of the extraordinary revelations. Therefore, so that I would not exalt myself, a thorn in the flesh was given to me, a messenger of Satan to torment me so that I would not exalt myself. 8. Concerning this, I pleaded with the Lord 3 times that it would leave me. 9. But he said to me, My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is perfected in weakness. Therefore, I will most gladly boast all the more about my weaknesses, so that Christ's power may reside in me.
Thank you guys so much for doing this prayer journal entry with me. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will answer to the best of my ability. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you being here. This channel started as a journey. It is still a journey, and those of you that have hung in since the beginning, or those of you who have newly joined, I truly thank you for being here, because without my fellow sisters and brothers in Christ, this walk would be so much harder for me. Just the kindness and the love that was poured out in several of my videos, but particularly this last one with the recommendations of some scriptures, I appreciate so much. I took your advice. I have been reading, I have been praying, and I just wanted to show you that I appreciate it, and I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye, y'all.